Allow certainty to rise in your body. You know for a fact that if you put in the hard work and dedication, that you can achieve anything you desire. The more details that you can add to this image of success through self-reliance, the better. See the colors brightly. Feel the sensations of your surroundings. Notice how you look when you are brave, sure of each and every step you take. Be here in this place of complete confidence for a few moments longer. Good. Another form of building self-confidence is positive self-talk. So, hear yourself saying, I am an inspiration to others. I am fearless. There is nothing that I cannot overcome. I am worthy of achieving my dreams. I have many skills and gifts that I share with the world. My words are mighty. I carry with me the responsibility of kindness. I am unstoppable. I am a great leader. People are drawn to the love that I send out. Well done. Whenever you are ready, gently open your eyes and take a fresh breath. And know that whenever you respect yourself, you respect the entire world. Return your awareness to the present moment, thriving on a greater sense of confidence. Namaste.